Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Nomadic Sage. In this video I would like to share my experience of playing my very first golf game. Now I have made a couple of videos before on how to book a golf lesson if you have an IDFC First Wealth credit card, as well as couple of more videos on the golf benefits you get on some of the credit cards. I have been taking golf lessons for a couple of months now that came with my credit cards, and after taking some lessons and getting more comfortable with the game, I had decided to go for a 9-hole game. And in this video I'm going to just discuss couple of key learnings from that experience. So for my game I went to the Jaypee Golf Course and Resort, and this is situated in Greater Noida. I went there because I have been taking a couple of lessons there as well, and I knew the coach, I knew some of the staff, so I was very comfortable there. Now a golf game has a couple of components to it, and when you have a credit card that gives you golf benefit, then only the green fees is waived off. Now this is a big component of the golf fees, as this can range from 7,000 to 10,000 or something, and it is actually the biggest component of the entire golf game. And other than that, you need to pay the caddy fees to the golf course itself, and they will give you a bill for it. And this is something that is not part of your green fees, so you need to pay for it at the course. Other than that, when you're done with your game, you typically tip your caddy, as they help you play the game. They give you the directions, they give you the tips on what club to use for what kind of a shot. So you typically give a tip, and you generally give them on basis of the course, but 500 is, I think, an accepted amount. Then if you don't have a golf set, then you will need to rent those golf clubs, and the golf clubs can be rented for about 1,000 rupees or something like that. Other than that, you need your own balls to play the game. So that is a breakup, and this is basically what I have paid for my golf game at JP. Before the game, I went into the academy and hit a couple of shots just to get into the mood of the games and basically get warmed up. And then at the course, I did not hire any buggy because I felt like walking for the 9 holes that I'm about to play. And as you can see, the course was pretty beautiful. It was all green, and a lot of people were playing around at the course at the time I was there. And overall I was not as good because this was my first game, but overall it was a nice and fun experience. And in between the game shots, there were a couple of places where I can get some drinks like coffee or tea or maybe even some lemonade, which was available for free as part of the green fees, which by the way was waived off because of my credit card. And overall, while playing this game, I did miss a lot of shots, and the caddy was very helpful. He helped me, pick out the clubs and where to aim, and it was a fun experience because of the staff. Overall, it was a day well spent, and I enjoyed the entire experience. And that was the video, guys. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos in the future. And if you have any questions regarding the golf and the credit card benefits, then please put it in the comment below, and I'll try to answer them as best to my abilities as I can. And once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.